Hey everybody. So I'm on my Jiggle machine right now, and it's a Bluefin, and it basically, it's kind of like a rebounder, but it's electronic, and you can get on it for just a couple minutes, up to 10 minutes a day. So anyway, it's a way to just get your body moving in a gentle way, especially great for people that have injuries. It's actually also great for the elderly. So if you don't know anything about it, I'm gonna turn the camera so you can kind of see what it looks like. So my feet are on the bottom, and then you can use these straps as well if you wanna hold on for more balance, but you just pretty much stand here and it jiggles for you. And it's really helped me with my injuries to just get rebalanced, and you know, you're also getting a cardio workout while you're doing it. So anyway, if you don't know about it, check it out. It may be helpful to you or somebody that you know that would like to exercise, would like to work out, but also has limitations with injuries from perhaps car accidents or, you know, sports injuries, that sort of thing. So check it out. Have a good one.